Have you ever felt a calling to explore the ancient art of Reiki? At Arati Healing Center, we offer a comprehensive online Reiki course designed to guide you through every step of this profound healing practice. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, our courses are tailored to meet your needs. Under the expert guidance of our certified Reiki teacher, Klaus, you will learn how to channel Reiki energy, balance chakras, and promote healing for yourself and others. Our course covers all levels, from Reiki Level 1, Level 2, Level 3 Master, and Level 4 Teacher, ensuring you gain a deep understanding and mastery of this healing art. Our online Reiki courses are just as effective as our in-person classes, allowing you to learn from anywhere in the world. Plus, when you visit Koh Phangan, you are welcome to join our in-person course at no additional cost. Are you ready to start your journey? Enroll in our online Reiki course today and discover the power of healing within you. Visit us at aratihealing.com to learn more and sign up. Your path to healing and enlightenment awaits.